1, 2, 3, come on!
Hey guys, this is the unpacking and the breakdown for the Note 20 Ultra 5G. This is the Verizon variant. Now the Note 20 Ultra 5G obviously comes with the actual phone itself. Now I have previously opened this and taken a look to see what's inside so I could prepare for this video. The phone itself is wonderful, but one thing to keep in mind is you will need a screen protector. Now this does have the new Gorilla Glass, so it's supposed to have a more flexible display, which means that they are not worried about actually putting a full screen protector. They just put a film that you peel off on the very front. In the back, to protect the cameras, I did add a tempered glass protector for the cameras. So far, this has not been affecting any of my photos that I've taken, but I'll continue to test it, and if it does, I'll go ahead and make sure to update the video. Now, setting the phone to the side, we'll go ahead and look at what the rest of the box includes. There is a flap that basically holds in the wall charger. Now besides the wall charger, it does come with a SIM pop-out tool, as well as the SIM card. The SIM card itself is usually found inside the phone. I had taken it out and put it inside the case. Now it does come with a USB-C to USB-C wire. Now the USB-C to USB-C wire combined with the actual wall charger does allow this phone to have the super fast charging. This phone out of the box does have that enabled, so as soon as you plug it in, it will charge up the phone faster than the Note 10, for example's ability to charge. So that's it. Actually, that's pretty much all you get with this phone when you get it from a Verizon retail or even corporate store. Now you can get the wired earbuds. Now those are the AKG earbuds that go to a USB-C connector, but those you actually have to go and directly contact Samsung. They are free and it's free shipping, but you do have to request them. So you can get them if you want them, but I guess a lot of people just don't use them or something, and that's why they're not including them, or they're just doing it to save money. But for me, it would have been nice if they do include them, just because of the fact that I do use my headset. Now, usually in the past I haven't, but as of late, whenever I'm doing recordings or anything like that, AKG, even the simplest pairs, have great sound, and their microphones are actually pretty good. So just something to keep in mind. This is pretty much what you're going to get right out of the box. Nothing fancy, but that is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this kind of clarified what comes in the box.